So to change all your interior lights to LEDs, you can use these little plastic tools. They work okay, I guess. You want to be safer. I prefer smallest, thinnest little screwdriver you can get. I kind of bent the tip so I can get a nice little hook in there and just pull it out. But starting with these two side ones, go up in the side. That's it. Pops it down. Here's the LEDs I used for this one. Now, if you're having troubles getting those bulbs out, because they're just a press in and they're usually, you know, half an inch tall, if you're not going to reuse those bulbs again, just take a little duct tape, pop it up and around the bulbs, just pull out. Let the duct tape do the work for you. And you do the same thing to this other side. All right, now to turn your center one on. I mean, mine's a little overkill, but I like mine as bright as possible. So you can tackle this one by finding one of the side clips, which would be right about here. Sorry, that was my dash cam. Coming in from the side, you'll see like right there, there's a little clip, and that's all you need. Take that side by pushing it in. Pull it out. That's the massive one I used. Again, overkill, but I like my car extremely bright. You can also find these by counting how many are up the side and on through the bottom. That'll give you this one that I purchased. And I'll try to find a link to individual ones, but actually the best thing to do, it might cost you a couple extra bucks, but on Amazon they have, you just type in like Suzuki Kizashi LED replacements, and they'll outfit your entire car for you. You just order it, but you will save a tiny bit extra money by finding the bulbs individually, but you'll just have to see if it's worth it for you or not. All these are just simple 3M tape on the back. Now for the one in the back, it'd be the easiest one to take off, because you see there's two little notches that let you know just to pop it here. Bulb right out. And here's the bulb that I use for that, but you're gonna need that adapter. Which again, if you buy these kit up like eBay and stuff, it comes with, each bulb comes with every adapter from, you could put them in the ones in the front, ones in the rear. You just have to find the one size that fits. And this is the biggest one that fits in this slot that I could find. So last, you got the one in the trunk. Same push-in style, same wiring connector. But that's how big of the one I put in the trunk. And at night, you pop this trunk, it'll shine outside the car. That's how bright that little SMD is.